In this video, I'm diving into a detailed review of Landingi, a tool that promises to make creating landing pages fast and easy. As a landing page builder, it stands out due to its intuitive interface and versatility. Upon logging in, you're greeted with a sleek dashboard that allows you to either start with a blank canvas or choose from a variety of pre-made templates tailored for different industries. These templates cover everything from lead generation forms to product promotions and more. Navigating the platform is a breeze. You can easily drag and drop elements into your pages, such as text, images, buttons, and forms. Landingi also offers full customization, allowing you to adjust the layout, typography, and colors to match your brand. One of the things I particularly liked is how well it integrates with other tools, like MailChimp, Google Analytics, and Zapier, making it a great option for marketers looking to automate their workflows and track campaign performance. Many useful links can be found in the description below. After watching the video, make sure to check them out for additional resources. Another standout feature of Landingi is its A/B testing tool. You can easily create different variations of your landing pages and see which one performs best. This is especially helpful for marketers who want to optimize their conversion rates and improve campaign outcomes. The platform also provides detailed analytics, so you can track key metrics like form submissions, click-through rates, and traffic sources. For those who need more control over their landing pages, Landingi offers a range of advanced features, such as custom JavaScript and CSS support, along with integrations for e-commerce platforms like Shopify. Plus, the responsive design ensures that your landing pages look great on both desktop and mobile devices. In terms of pricing, Landingi offers several tiered plans depending on your needs, including a free trial. While it's not the cheapest option on the market, its robust features and user-friendly interface make it a solid investment for marketers and businesses looking to create high-converting landing pages with minimal effort. If you're serious about building landing pages that drive results, Landingi is definitely worth checking out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and insights into the best online tools. Your support helps me create more detailed content to guide you through the best software available today.